Coming with the peace, love, and happiness for all my. We got love, joy, and happiness. Hey!
The struggle is over, so relax your mind and enjoy yourself.
Enjoy.
Oh, yeah. If someone keeps telling you you're no good, they're wrong. Oh, 'cause you're beautiful to me. You are beautiful. Just look deep inside.